Today, I'm going to be giving a very high-level overview of a 1999 BMW E36 M3.
I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan, I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They try to take my flow, I take the ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got two twin Glocks, turn you to a dancer. I see two twin ops, leave them on a banner. And I got two thick dots, wanna link the game. I got red, I got blue, what you want? The Chanel, Balenciaga, Louis and Vuitton. She know I got the Fendi Prada when I hit Milan. I needed me a diet rider, I need me to...
So starting with the color, it's a Cosmos Black Metallic. The owner did a few mods as well. Got Xenon headlights, blacked out kidney grill, and also removed the fog lights, which is an interesting choice.
To my place, but you ain't want me last year, so just get up on my face. They all up in my inbox, so I know they wanna taste. I know they want my downfall, a nigga, are you lazy? I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside and go down, hop up in a fan, I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done.
Alright, so let's take a look inside of this M3. Comes with those really nice black Vader seats. Highly recommend if you're able to find one of those. On the side, you have your side airbag, which came in for the 99 model, and other standard things for this car. Here's your 8-way power seat for the driver, just to get that right seating position, and also has lumbar support in case you need it. So this M3 has 90,000 miles, which is quite low for a 99 year. In the middle you have your power windows, power locks. Up front is ASC, which is like automatic stability control, and your volume switcher. I'll get back to the short shifter later. And in between you can see there's no armrest. They took it off because they don't want to hit it when they're shifting, which is like kind of like the European style. So in terms of the shifter itself, it's UUC. Probably cuts down 20 to 30% of the throws, and it shifts quite nicely. I really like it. What's interesting is the past owner. I guess he took out the liner for the sunroof. Not sure why, but it's an interesting choice. So center console, you have your dual zone climate control, works with no problem. What's interesting is that the owner installed a pulley kit, so when the AC is running, you don't actually lose 10 to 15% power. It kind of gives that power back, which is really nice. Below that, you have your temperature gauge, with the sensor is broken, but yeah, just some other options that they've included. So the back seats probably won't be used that much, but in the 99 they added headrests for those in the back, and legroom's not too bad. It's pretty good. I mean, I wouldn't want to sit here, but it's not bad. Alright, let's talk about some mods.
Yeah, so pretty basic, just Dinan CAE intake, Mishimoto radiator, Mishimoto hoses, radiator hoses, racing dynamic strut bar, H&R coilovers, GNC camber plates. I think that's it. H&R sway bars. That's pretty much it for the engine, I believe. Just the basics.